All right, y'all. Welcome back to my channel once more. Today's video is going to be about the Bybit trading bots. I'm going to give you an update about my bots, how they are being performed for the past few days. Okay, as you can see right here, I have 4 running bots. Okay, guys, 2 of them are more than 150 days old, so I'm not going to count on them because soon I'm going to terminate them. Okay, we have the AVAX bot right here, been running for 170 days, and we got the Sol bot right here, Solana bot, 154 days. Okay, these 2 bots, I'm gonna terminate them soon because I've got a new challenge for myself. Right. So the latest bots is this one right here. So we have the Matic USDT. As you can see, the Matic, it's pumping. Well, the whole market, it's pumping. So you can see that this bot is doing well. Okay, but even though it's doing well, I'm going to terminate him as soon as possible because this is a neutral grade bot. It's good for side trading, and now the market is pumping. I'll be better off terminating this bot and deploy the long bot instead, because if the stop loss is triggered, all these P&L will be lost. Okay, and lastly we have the Dodge. Okay, so I went long on Dodge, 5x long, and so far 11.24% in 2 days. Okay, so that's about 5.6% per day. Okay, which is really good. So let's go over to completed bots. All right, so yesterday I made, damn, this Phantom neutral grid bots is screwing me up, right? They are definitely killing me on these trades, right? So I'm not gonna launch any more neutral grid bots on Phantom, because every time I launch a neutral grid bot on Phantom, I get stopped by the stop loss. Okay, so yesterday, the market pumped today. Okay, so the bot was terminated and my stop loss was triggered. So I'm down 10.22%. Okay, guys. So that sucked. Okay. And yesterday I tried to deploy the if bot. Okay, so long 45x, which is a crazy amount of x's. Okay, the reason why I put a lot of x's is because to deploy a normal bot with a 5x, I'd needed at least 110 bucks. And at the time, I didn't have 110 bucks. But if I did have 110 bucks, look at this. Okay, so this is the if USDT price chart, and I deployed the bot around here because I was like, okay, feels like the bot will do the price chart will pump, because as you can see, it's coming close and close and close, and this is a bullish wedge. Okay, and eventually broke on the upside. Okay, so I was like, I'm gonna deploy a long, but because I didn't have much funds available, okay, I had to increase the leverage. Okay, but the more leverage you increase, right, the closer you will be for the stop loss. Okay, so I was monitoring, and eventually it got to a point. Damn, is this red percentage is climbing up really fast, and I don't want to be stopped. Okay, so I decided to cancel the bot manually. Okay, but if I had enough funds, look at this, I would have had a great profit. Okay, so 4% profit right there, right? So lesson learned. So ETH and BTC, you'll need more funds than all these small coins. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see that I went long on Sol and I made 4.64% in 12 hours. Okay, I went long on Arbitrum, I made 2.17% in 13 hours. I went long on Dodge, I made 2.15%. I went neutral on BNB. This one you already know. Okay, so overall, apart from this Phantom that burned me really bad yesterday or today, I'm not really sure when was it. Okay, the trades hasn't been so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna launch a challenge for myself. Okay, so I'm gonna fund these my account with 1,000 USDT, and I will try to double that 1,000 in 30 days. Okay, so today is the day number 1. Okay, so what I will do, I will terminate all these bots. Okay, I'm gonna start fresh bots. And as I already showed you, right? So I've got ETH right here. So the crypto market is pumping, right? So at the moment, I'm not gonna take any trades because the pump is done. So I missed this opportunity right here. Okay, so everything that goes up eventually comes down. That's why I already have my short position right here. I haven't placed it in the, I haven't deployed any trade bots or I haven't placed any shorts position in the Bybit platform. But this is what I'm waiting to do. Okay, so I'm gonna short ETH, I'm gonna short BTC, I'm gonna short XRP, I'm gonna short BNB, and lastly we have the SOL. Okay, why I'm gonna short do that when the market is pumping? Because every time a coin pumps really hard, eventually it will come down. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the coin to start coming down, and then I will take a quick trade. Okay, it might be just a trade for a few hours, we don't know, but eventually it will come down. So if you look at BTC right here, this is a very strong resistance level. Okay, 30k, 30.7k. Okay, and if it touches here, most likely it will bounce back down. Okay, so I'm just waiting. That's why I haven't deployed any bots yet, because if the Bitcoin touches this line right here, right, so most likely it will come down. Okay, it will come down, and then I will launch my short position, and the bots will trade between this green band right here. Same goes to ETH. So if we zoom in, let's go for 30-minute price chart. We can see that ETH is already, is pulling back a little bit. We don't know how much ETH will pull back, and yeah, I'm looking to deploy a short just for a quick profit. Okay, so if I make 2% on these two trades, BTC and ETH, I'll be good. Okay, so the whole idea is to make at least 2.5% in all bots every single day in order for me to achieve my target, which is double my investment in 30 days. Okay, XRP, again, I'm gonna go short because this is a very, very strong resistance level, and XRP will struggle to overcome this one. So if you zoom in, so 30-minute price chart, we can see that it's already pulling back, right? So I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen in the next few hours, right? So this is just a waiting game right now. BNB, again, BNB is pumping, right? This is a good, this is a tough support resistance level, right? And BNB might struggle to overcome, because every time BNB comes to this level, it struggles and bounces back down. Okay, let's zoom in and let's see what's happening in 30 minutes. Right, as you can see right here, feels like already it's pulling back a little bit, but again, I don't want to deploy the bots right now, because if it keeps pumping back up, right, I'm gonna be shut down on these trades. All right, so hence me just waiting a little bit longer to see what happens. And lastly, we have Solana. Okay, Solana, yes, I made some good profits with Solana right there. So I took the opportunity. Where is Solana? Right here. So I took a long 5x, so 4.64% in 12 hours. Really good. So yeah, I took advantage right here. So it made about 4%. Was it here? Let me see. I think it was here somewhere. Yeah, Solana, I got stopped because I had a stop loss. I had a take profit. I had a take profit. That's why I didn't made much more in terms of profits, because I have a take profit at 5%, stop loss at 7%. All right, that's why I got stopped right here. So when the bot reached 5%, it stopped the trades. But if you continued, I would have made let's say almost 10% on that trade. Okay, 10% in just what, 12 to 24 hours. Brilliant. Okay, but it is what it is. I'm happy with 5% in just 12 hours. Okay, good to know that. Right. So, like I said to you, now it's just a waiting game. I'm just waiting to see what's gonna happen, and soon I'll be deploying my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bots. Okay, so each bot will have 200 USDT. Okay, guys, and I will try to give you an update every 5 days and showing my trading results. All I gotta do is come over here to my bots, completed bots, and I can show you my trading results. Okay, guys. So until then, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.